Big man thing. And if my life could have rewind.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Annika. So please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Welcome new subscribers. So to my new subscribers, you might hear me speaking a different language every now and then. It's patois because I'm Jamaican. So yeah. Happy birthday to Aaliyah. I got some Chinese food because I'm hungry. So we're gonna talk about when she passed away. If she would have been 44 today. So this is what I have. Yeah. I probably tell them to cut up the wings. I always like when the wings is cut up. Easy for me to eat. But oh, it's just shrimp fried rice and 4 wings. This was $8.50. And I had a shrimp roll. Oh, at least I have shrimps. No. I wanted one of the sweet tea so bad, but I didn't buy it because of sugar. And I'm gonna drink water. Please don't give me duck sauce, please, lady. Okay. Can't eat this without duck sauce. So she passed away August 25th, right? 2001. I was in junior high school. She passed away in the Bahamas. But she went there to shoot the Rock the Boat video, right? And then but before that, I think the week before, she was on Winston Park. That's the only thing I remember back then. I don't remember no. Did they have TRL? I think so. But she was on Winston Park. I remember that. But she gave one of her biggest friends like a truck, like a vehicle. And I remember she had on I think it was a white outfit. All white outfit, if I'm not mistaken. And I cried. You would think I know the person. I don't think my name Ball like when my mother passed away, no. But why am I changing this inside? Yeah, I cried. I did cry because at the time Aaliyah was my favorite. You got Destiny Child and then you have Aaliyah for me. Like, so at the time Aaliyah was my favorite singer. So when she passed away, yeah, it hit me. I remember crying. I think she's the only celebrity that passed away that I cried. Any other, I don't think I cried about for any other celebrity that passed away. Yeah, I don't think I did. But yeah, so even I think she had shoot the More Than a Woman. I think that was the More Than a Woman video was the last video she shoot before Rock the Boat, and it didn't even come out yet. So I think they released it, right? Alright, so her passing now. There was just too much stories going around. We didn't know what really happened. Because I think most of them that was there passed away with her. There's a lot of people. Yeah, who made it? I don't remember if any other person on her team made it. I remember the funeral. There was a lot of people. Like, till this day, she's still like a... She left a big impact. Like, yeah. Yeah, her funeral was packed. I think they let go, like, how many doves was it? 22? I think whatever her age was. Right? Oh yeah, she was 22. See, yeah. Yeah, that's how I think. That's how many doves they let go. Oh yeah, so she gave the guy an Escalade. I don't know if it's a big truck. She was so sweet and humble. When someone interviewed her, like she was just so sweet and humble and always smiling. Her smile was so big and bright. Like I loved it. People were like, "Oh, if Aaliyah was here today, you know, some people would have jobs." No, for real. Like Aaliyah was just getting into acting and other stuff, so she would have been big. So I don't know about people not having jobs, but she would have been bigger than some people. Simple as that. I ain't gonna call them names now. But y'all know. But yeah. So, ooh, I have an egg roll. Yeah, I forgot to show y'all an egg roll. The shrimp egg roll. And of course, you gotta eat it with the duck sauce. If you're from New York, you know this. Thank God it wasn't oily. Good shrimp. So, show y'all. Oh my God. So yeah. Oh my God. So in New York, we eat the chicken wings with hot sauce, duck sauce, and barbecue sauce. That's how we eat the Chinese food out here. But I think I told y'all, I think I said this already, but Queens got the best Chinese food to me. Brooklyn's not bad, but I think Queens Chinese food is better. But then I hear the Chinese food in Jamaica is better. So I don't think I had that one time. I need to try that again when I go down. I haven't had it in a while. Yeah, I need to try that. So yeah, I'm just having a little, you know, mukbang with me and Aaliyah. I got the shirt from it's in the vlog. I got the shirt from oh, I think it's Charlotte Rule. Yeah, that's what I got it from. I actually have another one that I bought from Fashion Nova, a yellow long sleeve one. I think that was on sale for like $10. I was like, oh, $10. Yeah, so I'm not far ahead, but I was saying when he passed away, everybody was sad. It was just so like, what? We just saw you. It was like the reason she passed away. I mean, I know this already, but I'm talking because it's my mukbang. The reason she passed away was because the airplane, was it airplane? Was too crowded, it was overloaded or something. We really not gonna know what happened. Okay. Like she was just different from anybody else. She was just different. The way she dressed, the way she talked, the way she sang, she was just different. So she had her own, what do you call it? She gave her her own lane, pretty much. She just had a tomboy. Then you see she just all girly, looking cute still. Like somebody could pull off those two type of dressing. Oh yeah. If you could do that, then you the shit. Because she knew how to dress. She knew how to dress. I saw. And she knew how to sing her ass off too. She was so young, 22. Oh my God. She was so young. She was very tall though. I think she do look tall. I didn't even notice I ate all the egg roll though. And that's all about her hair. Her hair was just always laid. Mostly her hair. I think she wear weave too, but at the time she usually wore her hair a lot. That's what. I'll wear this off tomorrow. Yeah, see this. Oh yeah, I knew it was white. Aaliyah final TV appearance. Yeah, she was in a white outfit on Winnie Houston Park. Here it is, right here. Yep. Yeah. Look how sweet she was. She was so sweet. But yeah, so I just wanted to come and talk about that. Don't know if I forget anything. So
copyright for this. I don't need it. I'll be more. Midnight, lightning, always. You go, cause I go, cause we share pillows. There's still no separating. New bones in your closet. Is it my fault? Cause I really need somebody. Send me like somebody. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on.
I get this video tomorrow, which is the 17th. My song.
Don't get it twisted. What's your problem? Let's resolve. It's what's the problem? It's official. You got issues. I got issues. But I know I'm with you. Who should be hurt? Who should be clean? You can dance for asshole. Girl, holla. You give me bits and pieces. You tryna bring me when I don't even know the reason. I think it's just deceiving. Maybe the much, maybe the human. Now tell me what's the reason. Stupid girl, what's the deceiving? So cut the crying, cut the coughing, cut the reading, girl. Put the blaming, cut the naming, cut the sneaking, girl. I think you need some prayer. Better call it beating, girl. So get your act right, else we won't be speaking, girl. So what's it gonna be? Me and you, or is it gonna be who blame who? I'm tired of these things, I'm tired of these stars. I think I'm gonna give me a drink. I'll call you tomorrow. Be my shit. I believe this knows that's what you're doing now. Yeah. Yo, she was dance. Was not twerking back then, none of that. Dancing. Let's do so. Go in. Change positions on me. Now stroke you, baby. Stroke it for me. I want you to ride. Hey. Change position.
I miss her. Aaliyah was beautiful. She was so gorgeous. I wish I had met her. Today is Martin Luther King Day. His birthday was yesterday, right? Yeah. His birthday was the 15th, but today is a holiday. So, but yeah, that's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and comment some of your favorite Aaliyah songs. And yeah, just leave those comments. See you in the next video. Bye.